know if I said I hated Volkswagens, but I hate Volkswagens. But I'm working on this one. So, what's going on with this? Code here, P0, well, not P0, this is a 320 code. It says O2 circuit, bank 1, sensor 2, no activity. Alright, what happened history-wise, the car was obviously, well, the car had been brought to me from, came down here from New Jersey. Somebody made a conscious effort to repair it when she originally bought the car, but with no avail. What I'm going to do, I'm going to hop under here and locate the sensor that was allegedly replaced and ensure, for one, that it's plugged in properly, and two, oh shit, scared the shit out of me, and two, if there's any issues revolving that, then we're going to start checking wire integrity. 1 second. Okay, just a quick history, another quick, just FYI. I did, when I originally got this car, I cleared the code and this immediately came back up. The thing is, this car has 3 O2 sensors, well, 3 sensors on it, aperture ratio sensors, options, however you want to call them. But the thing is, I think what happened, the guy probably replaced the wrong one, being that I'm pretty sure, and then I'm just my conjecture here, that the one in the back, hold on. Okay, so the one, I'm under the car right now, of course. There's one bank 1 sensor sitting up there. Then you have 2, and then you have the third one just sitting back here. Oh boy, where am I at? Right there. So there's 3, 2, and 1. I think what happened was he saw this one and then changed this one, and I'm just going off of that because look how good those how good the body look on it. The hex in, I mean, like somebody was, if this was untouched, but it does look good enough to be replaced with something new. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, seem like all 3 of these are gonna be the same sensor, from what I understand. I'm gonna take that number 2 out, do a resistance check on the heating circuit, and I could possibly find the signal wire. Yeah, I can tell this was replaced. I mean, the wire's loose. Find the signal wire, scope it, or just see if the heating circuit is out of specification. So it could be that. But let's do the simple stuff first and do a resistance check. So let me get my stuff together. Alright, good news. We didn't have to repair anything, it seems like, because the visual inspection took care of this. Now, don't ask me what happened, because fuck if I know. So here's the bracket that retains. Let me see if I can get a good spot. Bear with me here. It's always suspect, the wiring here. This is the one that was replaced, the new one. And so this is suspect, but the number 2, check this out. Look at that. We got a broke wire right there. So I guess what? I guess we're gonna repair this broken wire and see if we have any oscillation on the oxygen sensor. I don't know how in the hell it got like this, but I'm gonna blame it on him, German engineer. So yeah, good job, Volkswagen. You have spontaneously combusting wires, or so the code will come back immediately after I erase it. So hopefully when I repair this, it should stay stay off. I could do a jumper wire real quick, but it's obviously broke, so let's repair it. Alright, got my plug soldered here. And it ain't gonna look that pretty because I really didn't have that much to work with anyway, but I'm gonna put some liquid tape on here. That'll work out perfectly fine. Let me just do a quick resistance check, make sure I got some type of continuity. Let's see. We got a value. Yep, got a value. So, all right, I'm gonna put liquid tape on here and neaten my job up and let that dry. And I got another truck I gotta diagnose. So yeah, put that on there, put a sleeve on it, make sure we don't harm our connection. But that liquid tape will work perfectly fine. All right, I'm gonna let this load up. And I have my thingamabob zoomed in so close. So let's clear this code. Probably let me do it while it's running. Let's see if it comes back. If it comes back immediately, then I didn't fix it. If it don't come back, it's fixed. Let's see what happens. All right, no fault code detected. That was a successful repair. Let's go to live data and see if we have any type of movement. Advanced measure. So let's go down to bank 1, sensor 2. There we go. Getting close. There we go. Sensor voltage right there. So yeah, we got movement. Level 3. And so 3 is going to be more post-cat, and that sensor 2 is going to be inside the cat. So it's not going to be moving like that first sensor there. Let's see if we give it gas, see what happens. They're steady. Let's go back and make sure that code is still clear. More than likely, I'm probably going to have to drive it, but again, it immediately came to. Yep, so I'm going to call this fixed because the code immediately came back. I mean, as soon as I cleared it, it'll come back on. It was obvious. It was broken wire. Repaired the broken wire. Bam, we fixed it. If I don't update anything, then this issue is obviously resolved. Because I'm gonna try to go through a drive cycle. The car would complete its drive cycle when I first got it, and that's how I know that they cleared the code when she bought it. So yeah, here, seated O2 failed or incomplete, O2 sensor failed or incomplete. So let's try to complete a drive cycle. I have to prove my validity of my work.